only one utility side-by-side owns the title, hardest working, smoothest riding. Only one has been the first choice of farmers, ranchers, hunters, and homeowners 10 years straight. Only one has earned the name Polaris Ranger. Introducing the new, undisputed leader in side-by-side utility, Ranger XP 1000 and Ranger Crew 1000, the most powerful Rangers the world has ever seen. Our new XP 1000s raise Ranger's hardest working banner to all new heights. They're built around an 80-horse ProStar engine with more power and more torque than any other utility side-by-side. In fact, they deliver 17% more horsepower and 11% more torque than their industry-leading predecessor, the Ranger XP 900. And the XP 1000s give a whole new meaning to smoothest riding with a revolutionary 3-mode throttle control. Performance mode unleashes all of Ranger XP's 80 horses right now. Hit the pedal and you're gone. Work mode gives you smooth, precise control at low speeds. Standard mode delivers the ultimate blend of torque and power for getting it done all day long. And to make sure there's a new Ranger XP 1000 perfectly set up for the work you do, we've got a full fleet of special editions to choose from. Our North Star editions are the industry's first gas-powered utility side-by-sides with heat and air conditioning. The XP 1000 Ranch Edition is born to handle the biggest jobs. Its self-leveling suspension and heavy-duty driveline top a long list of work-ready features. Ranger XP 1000 Hunter Editions are outfitted to chase the biggest game in the highest backcountry. And when you're ready to get down and dirty, our new XP 1000 Highlifter Editions will take you deeper than ever before. Industry-leading power. Groundbreaking control. Ranger XP 1000 and Crew 1000 are the hardest working, smoothest riding utility vehicles ever made. And exactly what you'd expect from the #1 name in utility side-by-sides, Polaris Ranger.